Unong ilam ke NPP ubalong ru Menteri Kesorkan Mekhlaya urakam sangma ulang ba ke Kyrtong jong ke Seng ka meta candi kan job Kput ya ke Ilekshon Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre namar ba ke jingkershan ya ka kalanang kiu man la kasngi da ka bakam ba kinong tap vote ha ke constituency menta ki kwa banjit ya ke breu ka badon ha kalyang sensyar Habakran bat kinong pathai kubor ulang ba karai jong ke BJP bandrung syakani ke jing kun kan wanra ya ke jing ke bakrau ya ke Kongres namar ba kidang yetre lang ha kapor election MP.
Madam Chandi, NPP will be coming out victorious with a record margin. It looks like because the people's support is growing more and more because they've understood because 2023 Gambegre was in wrong number. Because they have bought it, they don't know who will form the government. Therefore, unfortunately, they have voted for the Congress and Seng was in the opposition. So now, maybe what happened for the best. Now, Gambegre is getting the best opportunity. They can elect the MLAs who will be very much part of the government.
Kashnong kumligao how Southwest Garo Hills